tucked in right against the base of some of Canmore's most iconic peaks. We've got Harling just to my right, and as you can see, the east end of Rundle just behind me, and we are here to show you a very special property today.
Welcome to 1112 Wilson Way. You can see behind me, you've got a beautiful 2-car garage, 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, 2,166 feet, immaculately maintained.
So as soon as you walk through the front door, this home has an incredible wow factor. Those mountains are broad inside. We've got those huge vaulted ceilings, this beautiful warm hardwood floor underfoot, and then tons of natural light pouring through those windows.
So we're at the heart of the home here in the living room. Incredible privacy. You can actually see Quarry Lake from here. This area is fantastic for gathering.
And if you love to host dinner parties, this is the perfect kitchen. Easily transitions to dining area, eating nook, and the family room. From the prep station to the dining table to the sofa, it's one big happy social loop. Welcome to outdoor space number 1 of 3. Yeah, you heard me right, we've got 3 outdoor spaces here. This is the perfect deck for just hanging out in your morning coffee, watching that sunrise over Grotto Mountain. And just below me, Carl's gonna show you the next piece.
See, this deck is my favorite. You've got an awesome hot tub here, complete green space, privacy, just the birds, and it's actually huge as well.
Welcome to the walkout level. We've got 10-foot ceilings, cozy gas fireplace. It's an inviting space. It has great separation from the main floor and is the perfect spot to hang out, play some board games and relax. Additionally, on this level, you have 2 large king-size bedrooms with built-in wardrobes and also access to your deck with the hot tub.
Rounding out this level, we have a 4-piece washroom as well as your laundry room.
So we've got the perfect office loft here off of the primary bedroom. This is the owner's level, and you can still bark orders down and get coffee delivered.
Welcome to the primary retreat. We've got vaulted ceilings, king-size bed, 4-piece ensuite, as well as south-facing sun and incredible mountain views that you can admire all day.
Third outdoor space of this home is right off your primary suite. It's this beautiful private deck just to my left, and it's got great peekaboo views of the mountain.
If you have any questions about this property, just contact us below.
Thanks for watching. As always, we've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks, so don't forget to click that subscribe button.